All right, guys, this is question 57 from the Regents review. It's a transformation question. This is one of the first questions in this packet that has transformations. We did transformations about a month or two ago, and most of you were pretty good with transformations. But here's what you should see. If you've forgotten transformation, it's not a big deal. They're giving you two graphs, so all you really have to do is graph both of them and then see how they relate to each other, and then just describe that relationship. So let's go. So one of the functions f of x is going to be x plus 1 squared. So this is going to be a quadratic. This one, g of x, is also a quadratic. So it's going to be quantity x plus 3 squared. So now remember, if you are doing a transformation of the parent function, this plus 1 inside the parentheses is going to go not to the right, it's going to go to the left. And this one too is not going to go to the right, it's actually going to go to the left 3 units. Doesn't matter. If you understand that, remember that you can just write down what's going to happen, but it's better just to graph it and see. So let's go graph it and let's see what it looks like. All right, so let's go to the graph. Let's get rid of the table, Control T. Let's get rid of this graph menu 14, and let's start over. I'm gonna go back to the standard window. So I go menu 4 and then choose option 5. That takes us back to the standard window. Now I'm going to enter the first function f of x. So I'm gonna delete that 1 and then I'm gonna type in parentheses x plus 1, x plus 1 squared, and press enter. Boom. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to change the color because I know I'm going to have another graph and I don't want them to have the same color. Then I make that one red. Now let's do the next one. And we're going to make this g of x. And then we're going to put in parentheses x plus 3 squared, and then press enter. Boom. Now, so here are my two graphs, right? Now, if you can't see how these two relate, here's what I would do. Just look at the vertex of each one and see how they change. So I'm going to do menu 62 because they both have minimums. I'm choosing this graph. All right, so here's the vertex for the g of x function, and then I'm going to do menu 62 again, and now I'm going to do it for the right graph, the red graph. Boom. So now notice it says describe a transformation that maps f of x onto g of x. So basically, we need to know, what do you need to do to the red to get it to the blue? Well, all we're going to do is shift it 2 units to the left. That's what you would write. That would be 2 points. Go here, and you would say you have to shift f of x 2 units to the left to map it onto g of x. This answer will be 2 points. So basically all I did was describe. I need to know, what do we need to do to the red graph to get it to the blue graph? Well, we're going to move it 2 to the left. That's it. That's all you write. That's 2 points. Easy peasy. I'm going to stop and post it.